Well, good morning, everybody. So for I would say the past week or so, I've actually been testing out it's the YA50 Pro. See it right here. This is a upgraded portable Auto APAP device from Snore Circle. And so far, to be honest, I've been very impressed with it. So I've been actually using a full-size CPAP machine for the last like 6 months. And my main one that I actually bought cost about $2,800 Canadian. So I definitely wasn't expecting something that is this size to actually compare with it, but it actually surprised me. So compared to, first off, the older YA50, which was already small, coming in at about 320 grams, the new YA50 Pro pretty much takes on the same footprint, but refines just about everything. It's quieter, it adjusts pressure more smoothly, and I would just say it feels overall just feels like it's more refined. So the noise is rated at under 37 decibels, so it's really quiet. So this is great if you are sharing a room or just, sensitive to sound. It'll automatically adjust between 4 and 20 centimeters. Uh, it'll do H2O, tracks your breathing in real time, and the size, uh, it literally fits in your hand, so you can easily toss this into a backpack or carry on and be ready for a good night's sleep pretty much anywhere. No bulky setup or extra parts, which I like because I like to do a lot of road trips. So at the current price, this is a fraction of what I paid for, again, my full-size machine, which really sets out this unit as one of those compact and capable and budget-friendly options for those that are traveling, camping, or, just to have a backup unit in case your full size actually fails. So anyways, let's open the box just to show you what kind of came in this box, I guess. So here is the box. Now I will say, just so you guys are aware, I have again taken it out and I have been using it. So it's the machine is actually down here. So if we open this box out, just get us the box. It kind of comes a box in a box, but you do get a little travel case, which is nice. Snore Circle, little travel case. And of course, you are going to get some bags, which these had things in them, of course, right? This is what would have your Snore Circle in it. You're going to get, this is the actual like a humidity filter. So they have like a humidity filter that you can go into it. So it does have one in the mask already, but it has a spare, which is good. This would be, of course, again, some extra like filters and manuals and stuff like that. It also had the hose in it, right? So you have the breathing hose, which is important because if not, you just have a machine that blows air out into the air, I guess, right? So you need it to attach to your face. Anyways, case wise, you'll see some more air filters, right? Um, this is, you guys can kind of tell, this is the size of the case that it comes with. Again, super portable, right? Can you put that in your backpack? Yeah, for sure. Could I put this in the trunk of my bike? Yeah, 100%. Can you put it in your briefcase? Yeah. Purse? Maybe, right? That's nice. Anyways, this was the bag that my full size comes in. Okay, you guys can see it here. That's the full size bag. And I did have it in this when I just came back from my last trip, just because it was easier. I just threw it in there. I didn't have a lot of time to get ready. But it's really small. So I'm just going to bring this out. And this is it is what it is. This is what you get. Okay. This is what you get. So you get the Snore Circle. And again, really simple. It's a little banged up right just because I have been traveling with it. So that's good. It stood the test of time. Nice little power. Again, this it doesn't plug into USB or anything like that. It is a power cable. So you guys, right? This is your power cable that it's going to plug into. Okay. Your hose, again, simple, just plugs in there. And you're going to have, if you're looking here, this is where that little humidity section is. So it's right there. So this actually collects the humidity. As far as this is how I think it works. This is my magic in my head. So as you exhale, of course, when you exhale, you breathe out with, there's humidity there, and it kind of just gathers in here. So when air is going through it, that is where you can get some of the humidity in it. And then of course this is your mask. So It's very soft, right? It does have a little bit of spots there. And for me, like, I'm never really clean shaven. It seals is nice. I would think, like, I like the ones that kind of go up in your nose, which is what my full size one has. And I would think that I should be able to replace that if I want. But attaching, like, really easy. It attaches there, it attaches there. If for portability you wanted to, you could, of course, just unhook this here. This is right, so there it just pops off. It's just, again, really simple. It's just clamps on. Good. This spins around, so it shouldn't be too obtrusive when it's, in your face. And then this is the mask. So it sits kind of this way. So this is going to go up like over your head. Um, and this is going to go on your forehead. Okay. Is that right? Did I get that right? No, that's not right. This goes up kind of over top of your head. This goes on the back of your head. Yes. Make sure these are out so it's easy to adjust. And then they're just little clamps, right? So you just kind of take this, and as you can see, these kind of just slide in there and kind of lock into place. Nice. This one, same thing on this side, right? Boom, click. Excellent. There you go. That's the madness right there. Yes. Just again, make sure these are on good. I would have liked to have seen these attach a little bit better. Like you get them there, and you really gotta like they go in, they do, but like they pop out actually fairly easy as well. So right, it's there. It's fine. It's fine. Just just realize. Anyways, this then when you're done, take my glasses off here, is very simple. Again, you do have all these little Velcros for adjustment, but this just kind of goes on over your head, right? And like that. That's it. Yes. For me, perfect, right? It's set up, it's sealed, it's good. And then this simple, it has a Bluetooth to connect it to your phone if you want. It has a kind of a power on button. Right, I don't have a plug-in right here, but I think maybe I do have a plug-in. Hold on. I do have a plug-in. Yes, sir. So if you're like me and you're like, yep, need to wear my glasses, can you? Well, I guess in theory you could. Theory, sort of. But I do want my hat on. Because you can leave your hat on. Yeah, that's the song. Anyways, you can see here the Bluetooth, right? It's kind of connected, gives you power. And I just tap it, and it's excellent. It's good. I don't know why it feels a little looser, the doorbell. Let's proceed to weird. I gotta tighten this one up a little bit, actually. Just kind of bring that up there. See how easy that is? Just kind of get into that right spot, just to make sure it's all perfect. Or like all CPAP machines, you end up talking weird, because that is. So you do have that little light, right? And it kind of goes off and then back on again. All right, again, you have your Bluetooth. After using this about probably every night for about a week now, I would say here's kind of my take on it. So I don't think it's going to necessarily replace a full size home unit. Again, mine still gives me more customization, probably a little smoother airflow. But for a portable machine, this thing actually is really great. Compared to the older version, which I did test before, the Pro version is noticeably quieter and definitely more stable. Pressure changes are smoother. The motor feels, again, more refined, and even the build quality, I think, has improved. The interface is simpler, easier to navigate, and this can be good if you're, like me and you're half asleep already. Really, really nice. Noise level, basically, it's so low, it's almost hard to tell that this thing is even running, except for the fact that you get air. So that's good, right? But I think really what makes it so good is that its size, right? Its performance, the adjustment, and really only a fraction of the price of a full-size machine. And one feature I didn't really even mention yet is the Snore Circle app. So it does connect right to this unit, the YA50 Pro, and let you check things like your sleep data, your breathing patterns, and it can even give you reports after each night. So it's actually really handy for tracking, your trends of your sleep, fine tuning your settings over time. And it's something you don't always get in smaller APAP or CPAP machines. So who do I think this is for? Well, if you travel often, you are in multiple locations, or you just want something that's affordable as a backup machine, something that's small, quiet, and just easy to use, I think this is going to be a really great fit for you. So for me, it's not going to replace my main unit by any means, but it is absolutely coming with me on pretty much every trip. It's just the size by itself just makes it so much more convenient. So if you want to learn more or check the current pricing of these, I will drop a link down below so you guys can check it out. And again, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Auto CPAP mask with tube box right here. Yep. Very good. Very good.